Good morning, guys. Well, I did quite end my vlog. I didn't end it properly last night, but we just came home, Llewellyn played on his game and I went to bed. So that was all that happened last night. So sorry for not ending properly. But I'm off to Mum's again today because I've got to sort the Avon out. That needs to be done today. But I don't know what else we're going to do today. I know Mum's got someone coming to look at her chair because her chair is, because they got leather furniture, the chair's peeling, so she's got to have that looked at. But yeah, it seems to I'm in an all white, look, I'm in an all white today. That's happening. But I've got my Wanted t-shirt on because the Wanted are awesome. I love the Wanted. But yeah, I gotta go down and sort out all the Avon and stuff, so. But anywho, I'm gonna go so that I can get everything together and I'll catch up with you soon. Walking like Chloe's back. Ready? Oh crap, hang on. Let me hold on to the fish tank. Let me hold on to the fish tank. I can't do it with one hand, you'll have to hold it. Hang on. It feels too heavy for you. Is this nice clean? No! Probably do it better. Would you like me to get it?
Is she a bit heavier than Bethan?
Yeah. Would you like me to get off you? I just killed Chloe. Oh god.
Chloe, can you breathe?
I think we just killed her.
Chloe, are you breathing?
Yeah, I think I just killed Chloe. Hey guys. As you can see, I'm back from Mum's. We just literally chilled all afternoon. You honestly wouldn't think we were going on holiday like Saturday, but yeah. No, I'm just trying to look for something for food. I don't know what to have. Oh god, falling. That's an empty box. I got lasagna, but I don't really fancy lasagna. What's that? Minted kebabs? No, I don't know. Oh, there's a pie. I could have a pie. See if we got some potatoes out of pie mash. There's only one left. Well, I will have that. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Oh, I've got some potatoes as well. That's great. That's my food sorted. Oh, yeah, I really need to get stuff sorted for this bloody holiday. I just haven't, really haven't done anything. Not really. No, I haven't done anything of the sort towards getting ready for this holiday. It's a bit annoying because I really need to get stuff done. But I got waiting for a parcel tomorrow. So let's see. 35 to 40 minutes. Perfect. Perfect. Oh god. I'll just put them in there. Where's the slime now? So we want 35 minutes. There we go. So that's half my food done. About halfway through I'll what's I call it? Do the potatoes. I don't need to do the potatoes yet. Now the canvas has come. But obviously you can't see that. But it's bloody gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous it is. But yeah, I'm not going to bore you anymore in a minute because I just need to gotta catch up on some programs and then obviously I'll do my tea and stuff. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Look at this deliciousness. We got pie, mash and gravy tonight. Smells delicious and I can't wait to eat it, and it's really making me hungry. And these two are eating. As you can see, I'm about to watch Marcus Butler. But yeah, they're eating. Anywho, I'm going to wrap it up for today because I'm not going to be doing much else tonight. And I'm going to be editing this and getting this up for you to watch. So by the time you watch this, I'll have edited it, uploaded it. Tomorrow I just gotta wait for, oh god, excuse me, I've gotta wait for a parcel. Hate waiting for parcels. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today really, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So bye. Hi guys, if you really like the video, please click subscribe and click on the link for yesterday's video on obviously the bit that says yesterday's video, and then we will see what happens tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So bye.